Hello, Miss Mullins' second grade class. This is Mr. Cizek. I heard that you guys watched a video of me when you were learning about some weather and meteorology. So today we're going to do a really fun demonstration and I'm going to explain how clouds form. We see them every day. Believe it or not, you can't sleep on a cloud that you see outside. That wouldn't be too good. You'd probably just fall right through it. So we're going to try to make our very own cloud in this glass jar today. So here are some of the ingredients. Now, to make a cloud, to get a cloud anywhere in the atmosphere, what happens is the water goes from the gas phase to the liquid, and it turns into these tiny little cloud drops that are actually little liquid cloud drops in the atmosphere, and they all form together to see the white cloud. So to get a cloud, if any of you guys like to go to McDonald's, I know I like McDonald's, you probably shouldn't eat there too much, but it is good. But you need to, we call it the Big Mac, okay? The M and the A and the C. So you need moisture, okay? So then we have this cup of warm water. This will provide us with the moisture to form the cloud. The A in the Mac stands for aerosols. So you need the water, when it goes from the gas to the liquid, it needs something to form on. So it's not going to go from the gas to the liquid until it has something. The molecules, which are like little tiny little balls of water, need to condense onto something. So that's what the aerosol is for. And in the atmosphere, we have plenty of that. So unless the air is really clean, we have enough aerosol to make the cloud. And so then the next thing we need, the C stands for cooling. So we need to cool the air so that the gas will turn into the liquid. That's what makes it go from the gas to the liquid. So you need your moisture, your aerosol, and your cooling, because the colder air can't hold as much water as the warmer air, so the water condenses out from the water vapor to the liquid. Okay, so first what we're going to do is we have this cup of water here, and I'm going to pour it into the jar. Now this is a warm cup of water, so you can see some steam starting to come up now. So the warmer the water is, the more evaporation comes out of it. Okay, so we're going to pour the water into the jar here. Alright, so now we have the warm water in the jar, and I'm going to just put this over it. So what's going to happen is some of the molecules, which are the little tiniest pieces of the water, are escaping the surface and going up into the air as water vapor. So now we have the M, we have the moisture. Now we need the aerosol. So this is a hairspray that's going to serve as the aerosol. So this is going to spray in the air, and this gives something for the water vapor molecules to condense on to form the cloud. So we spray this, okay, shake it up, spray it in there, then we're going to put this on. Now, our next step is we need cooling. So I'm going to take this ice, put it on top of the jar here. So this will make the air over the water cooler. So what's going to happen is the cooler air can't hold as much water, so it's going to condense and form out. Now, I'm already seeing some cloud. You see how it's foggy in there? So that's just like a cloud that you see every day up in the sky. So we'll let it go a little farther. Let's see. If you really look hard, let's see if Miss Mullen can come and zoom in a little bit. And you can see it moving. And in a little bit, I'm going to take this top off, and you'll see the cloud come out. Now, while we wait for that, I bet you guys have all made your own cloud every day. Not every day, but in the winter. When you walk outside and you breathe and you can see your breath, you're actually making a cloud with your mouth, because your breath is very warm. It's got a lot of water vapor, and that's called a mixing cloud. It mixes with the very colder air, and when that happens, you can get a cloud. The water vapor from your mouth can condense in that colder air, and that's how you get a cloud. So that's a different type of cloud. So right now you can see it's really foggy in there, and that's a cloud. Fog is also a type of cloud, by the way. So now steam is also a type of cloud. You actually can't see water vapor. Water vapor is invisible. It's a gas, but what you're seeing is the tiny little water droplets. And if we take this out, you can see this kind of looks like steam, but what these are, they're tiny, tiny little water drops that formed on the hairspray here. So there you go, guys. We just formed a cloud, and like I said, you form one every day. So Miss Mullen, thanks for playing my video, and hopefully I can come to visit all you guys one day. But I hope there's some weather enthusiasts out there, and Meteorology, science is fun. It's awesome. So see you guys.